Let me explain one case study so that you will easily understand. Case study, okay. So total Telangana Rajya Sabha seats 7, okay. We already discussed that this Rajya Sabha, did we cover the concept of Rajya Sabha duration, Lok Sabha duration? Not yet, yeah. Rajya Sabha members tenure 6 years, they'll retire for every 2 years, 1/3 members will retire, okay. Now listen carefully. So total Telangana Rajya Sabha seats 7 seats. Listen, this is only case study example. In 2026, okay, 3 members retired. 3 members retired. Baga gurtupeట్టుకోండి. All the Rajya Sabha members will not retire at same time because they will not be elected at same time. Different members will elect at different times. So whenever they elect, they will be for 6 years. Okay. For example, now 3 members retired in 2026. Okay. That means Telangana Assembly. That means I told you that Rajya Sabha members are elected by MLAs. Telangana Assembly should elect how many Rajya Sabha members? 3 members. 3 members. Okay. What is the Telangana Assembly total strength? 119. Okay. AP, the same example, 175. So this 119 members should elect 3 members. Who are these 3 members? These 3 members will be nominated by their parties, political parties. Okay. They may be MLAs or they may be some other than MLAs. If they are MLAs means once they become the Rajya Sabha member, their MLA seat will become vacant. Already told you that when you are a member of one house and elected to another house, your membership in the earlier house will get vacant. Are we clear? So now should elect 3 members. So here 1 member, okay. So here 3 members should be elected. Each candidate should get how many votes? This is the formula. Here total MLAs how much? 119. Number of vacancies how much? 3 plus 1 and plus 1. So 119 by 4 and plus 1. So then approximately each candidate should get how much votes? 31. Each candidate should get 31. For example, 119 means approximately 120. 120 divided by 4, 30 and plus 1. That means each candidate should get 31 votes. Then that will be the winnable candidate. Are we clear about this? Number of vacancies 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. And sometimes, okay, out of 120, getting 30 will be the easy. Okay. Sometimes what they will do, they will completely divide 120 divided by 3. How much? It will be the 40. Okay. In case if it is a less number of candidates, but when more number of candidates are there, this will be the principle generally they use. Okay. So now this 119 strength assembly, different political parties, okay, different political parties have their different strength. In Telangana Assembly, if you see here, so INC is having how many? How much? Congress is having how many seats? 66, and BRS is having 39. Okay, 37. And BJP having how much? 7. 7 and AMIM 7 and CPI and independents. CPI 1 and independent 1. Independent 1. Okay. Now listen. For one Rajya Sabha MP, he require how many supports? How many MLA supports? 31 MLA support. So here, based on the party strength, Congress gets how many MPs easily? 2 Rajya Sabha MPs. Because 31 MLAs are enough. Okay. For 2 seats, how many you require? 62. Already they are having how much strength? 66. So with their strength, how many Rajya Sabha MPs they can elect? 2 Rajya Sabha MPs. Whereas BRS get how many Rajya Sabha MPs? 1. Rest of the parties, can they have any Rajya Sabha representation from Telangana? No, because their MLAs are less in number. So from this, can we say that based on their strength in assembly, their representation will be there in the Rajya Sabha. In assembly, if they have more MLAs, then in Rajya Sabha, they have more representation. Are we clear about this? Now, listen. In this election, for example, when this election is going on, if these numbers, because for 2 seats, they require 62, but they are having 66, that is fine. Imagine if they are having only 56. Imagine if they are having only 56, but they require 62. In that type of election, there may be some BJP MLAs, they may be voted. MIM MLAs, they may be voted. In that process, what may happen? They may violate the party orders. Even though they violate the party orders also, they will not be disqualified because Schedule 10 is not applicable. Okay, I mean in election, Schedule 10 is not applicable in the Rajya Sabha election. In Rajya Sabha election, even though party orders are not followed by the MLA, they cannot be disqualified. That is what I explained to you. Are we clear about these numbers? All of you. Okay. Let me explain once again. A Rajya Sabha election. Principle we use proportional representation plus single transferable vote. And each state having their own representation in Rajya Sabha. That representation is present in Schedule 4. And from each state, their Rajya Sabha members will be elected, okay, in different years. All the Rajya Sabha members will not be elected at one time. Rajya Sabha members will retire at different years. Once they replaced the newly elected Rajya Sabha member, he will continue for 6 years.